The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is a car that truly lives up to its name. With a staggering 1,025 horsepower available from the factory, this is not a vehicle for the faint of heart. But what exactly makes the Demon 170 so powerful? Let's take a closer look at the upgrades that have been made to the engine. First and foremost, the Demon 170's engine is a 6.2-liter high-output supercharged HEMI engine. However, this is not your average HEMI engine. Almost every primary power component has been upgraded, with only the camshaft remaining untouched. The result is a vehicle that can deliver an incredible 1,025 horsepower straight from the factory. One of the key upgrades that sets the Demon 170 apart is the 3.0-liter supercharger. Modified from the Direct Connection Hellephant C170 crate engine, this supercharger provides a 40% increase in boost pressure, taking the Demon 170 to 21.3 psi. This is compared to 15.3 psi for the Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody, which already has an impressive amount of power. In addition to the increased boost pressure, the supercharger also allows for 30% more airflow. Another important upgrade is the fuel rail and injectors. The high-flow fuel injectors are capable of providing an incredible 164 gallons per hour, which is more than the average U.S. showerhead. The fuel injector rail also features a fast-response ethanol sensor, which helps to ensure optimal performance. Other upgrades include a 105 milliliter diameter throttle body, which results in 33% higher airflow volume than the Hellcat Redeye Widebody or 2018 SRT Demon, as well as nitride-coated intake valves and upgraded valve guides and seat materials to assist with ethanol compatibility. The cylinder head also features aerospace specification high-strength steel studs with steel inserts integrated into the aluminum cylinder head, which contributes to a 38% increase in clamping load. The upgrades continue with the main bearing caps and clamp load. Upgraded head and main cap fasteners for increased clamping load capability allow a 44% increase in clamping load compared to the Redeye, with aerospace specification high-strength steel bolts and billet steel main caps. The main and rod bearing materials have also been upgraded to copper lead for increased load capability, and the connecting rod is now higher strength with improved pin bushing support for increased combustion pressure. Block machining has also been modified for head studs and main bearing cap bolts, and a viscous damper assists in reducing torsional vibration. Finally, the spark plugs have been upgraded with a lower heat range for optimal combustion with ethanol fuel. All of these upgrades come together to create a vehicle that truly lives up to its name. The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 is a beast of a car that is capable of delivering incredible amounts of power straight from the factory.